Now I'm here to tell you one more type of cells. So one more type of cells on the basis of origin, as we know that the one cell is plant cell and the another cell is animal cells. So I'm here to tell you a unique difference between plant cell and animal cells. That means the character which is found in animal or plant which is totally unique or which is not resemble to each other. That is the characteristics of 3 plus 2. What is it? I am explaining here. The 3 plus 2 characteristics is as below. The plant cell having these 3 characteristics which is only found in plant cell, not in animal cell, and 2 characteristics or 2 functional parts which is only found in animal cells, not in plant cells. That's why we were taken as here 3 plus 2. That means 3 characteristics which is totally unique for the plant cell which is not resemble in the animal cells, and 2 characteristics which is totally different, totally unique for the plant cells. Now that is what is the functional components? The cell wall, as we know that cell wall is only characteristics which is found only in the plant cell. That is the plastid, which is also found only in the plant cell, and large vacuole. Plastid having 3 parts, 3 types, as we know that: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. We will discuss later. Sure. And in animal cell, lysosome and centriosome, which is present only in animal cells. Now, finally, we are here for the know about the structure of cells. So, if I am tell you one thing, my dear, all cell having the 3 major functional region parts. That is, the first one is plasma membrane, which is also called as cell membrane, and second one is cytoplasm, and third one is nucleus. Here is simple and small chart are given below. I am tell you one thing, my dear. Let me pause my video and write the name of all the cell organelles and all the functional component which will be studied later. So I hope you all are written on your notebook. The parts of cell, the plasma membrane and the protoplasm. I told you earlier, the protoplasm was the type of living component of cells which is enclosed inside the cell membrane. Protoplasm having 2 parts, cytoplasm and nucleus. In the cytoplasm, there are lots of cell organelle suspended or embedded. That was mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, lysosome, vacuole, plastid, centrosome, and lots of etc. and etc. And having the nucleus parts. Nucleus part having nuclear pore, nuclear membrane, nucleolus, nucleoplasm, and the most important thing is chromatin network or chromatin fiber, which turns into chromosome. So my dear, we are here to finally the structure of cells. Now we will discuss each and every component related to the cells. So can I start, my dear? I hope you are saying yes. Now, the parts of cells. The first part of cell is cell wall. Obviously, as we know that it is found only in the plant cells. So, it is the outermost structure of plant cells. So, we should know about the firstly cell wall. It is the additional protective layer, which is covering layer also of plant cell. As we know that cell wall is only the characteristics which found only in the plant cells. That's why cell wall is the additional covering layer, and it present at the outer side of the plasma membrane or cell membrane. Can you tell me, my dear, what is the cell wall which is made from? The cell wall is made from cellulose. Can you tell me the function of cell wall? Yes, my dear, you are right. And if you are unable to give the answer and function of cell wall? We will help you, don't worry at all. So function of cell wall is, it protects the cell membrane and inside of all the parts which is enclosed in protoplasm. Cell wall also gives shape to the plant cell and gives rigidity to the plant cell, and it is also permeable, fully permeable. What is the meaning of fully permeable? That means it allows the substances or ions to pass through in and out, and it provides the mechanical strength to the plant cell. So I hope you remembered all the important points related to the cell wall. My dear, the 2 or 3 more important point is, the first point is the cell wall is made from cellulose and it gives the mechanical strength and it is fully permeable. It gives the shape to the plant cell. Some of the points are very important, so you have to write down the important point as a star marker. Now the another parts of cell is plasma membrane or cell membrane. It is the second layer in the plant cell. Yes or no? Yes, absolutely. It is the second layer of plant cell layer, and the outermost layer in animal cells. It is outermost layer in animal cells. It is thin layer that is enclosed in the contents of cells. That means we told you earlier that is the plasma membrane, and here it is the plasma membrane. It is the plasma membrane, and outermost part of the plasma membrane is this. It is the outermost part in animal cell, but in the plant cell having the second layer. That's why. So it is made from bilipid layer and protein. My dear students, please remember this point. It is made up of bilipid layer and protein. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and it is made up of bilipid layer and protein. And what is the function of cell wall and plasma membrane and cell membrane? It is the innermost contact, and it gives the mechanical barrier to each and every cell organelles, and it is also a selective permeable. That means it is only allowed to a selective particles, substances, that is some ions, some materials, some minerals, which is comes out to in or into out. That is the selective, and it regulates the movement of ion from into outside, as I said earlier. So it was the function of cell membrane, and it was the basic part and basic component and basic functional to the cell membrane. Now the another part of cells is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substances in which various cell organelles are suspended, as I said earlier. It contains a various salt, sugar, amino acid, proteins and other chemicals, which helps to each and every cell organelles to participate in a chemical reaction and transfer the material from one cell organelle to the others. What is the function of cytoplasm? It acts as a site of chemical reaction like glycolysis in the cell. If you have remember last year you read the respiration in plant or either in animal, the respiration having phases 2 phase. Glycolysis is one of the most important phase which is completed takes place in cytoplasm. That is, it also an anaerobic respiration. So in another function, it helps in exchange of material between the cell organelles. As I said earlier, it is the site where the reaction of cell organelles having takes place. So Now here the most of important part of cell is completed, but we will study about in the next video about the cell organelles which is situated in the cell or cytoplasm. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and now I am here to tell you one thing about this situation. I hope you are staying in your home and take care of your parents, take care of your mummy papa, take care of your brother, sister, elder, younger. Love together, play with everyone, and stay home. Save life, save everyone. Keep watching. Stay tuned in the next video.